Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to accept a channel manager invitation on YouTube using your Google account. Let's get started. First, check the email inbox linked to the Google account you use for YouTube. You should see an email from YouTube or Google with the subject line saying you've been invited to manage a channel. Open the email and look for a button that says Accept Invitation. Go ahead and click it. It'll take you to a Google page where you can confirm your access. If you're not already signed in, Google will ask you to log in with the account that received the invite. Once you confirm, you'll be taken to YouTube Studio of the channel you've been invited to manage. Now, to double-check your access, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube, then click Switch Account. You should now see the channel you've been added to in the list. Select it, and boom, you're in. As a channel manager, you'll now be able to upload videos, check analytics, respond to comments, and manage settings, depending on the level of access the owner gave you. To manage your roles or leave the channel, you can also go to myaccount.google.com/brand accounts. Find the channel and manage your permissions, and that's how you accept a channel manager invite on YouTube. Super simple. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got questions? Drop them below. I'll try to help out. Thanks for watching.